Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical vegetable chopper, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Vegetable Chopper, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best vegetable choppers from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 8-blade vegetable chopper, home essentials, and kitchen gadgets. Chop, slice, dice, and shred like a pro with the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 vegetable chopper. The ultimate kitchen essential for fast, easy meal prep. Built with premium stainless steel blades, this powerful tool features 8 interchangeable blades for chopping, julienning, grating, and shredding. Whether you're prepping fresh salsa or coleslaw, this versatile chopper does it all with precision and ease. Designed for safety and convenience, it includes a food container and holder to prevent slipping and mess, while the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for busy kitchens and healthier eating. Save time, reduce mess, and bring joy back to home cooking with this durable, space-saving gadget trusted by restaurants and home chefs alike. Say goodbye to fast food and hello to fresh, nutritious meals made in minutes. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Mueller Pro Chopper, a true meal prep game changer. Number 2. Goldtree Vegetable Chopper, Veggie Chopper with 8 blades. Stainless steel materials, Salad Grater. Prep like a pro with the Goldtree Vegetable Chopper, the heavy-duty kitchen essential designed for serious home cooks. Crafted with a thickened stainless steel body and 420-grade sharp rust-tristan blades, this veggie chopper is built to last and outperforms fragile plastic models. Featuring 8 interchangeable blades, it easily slices, dices, grates, and chops veggies in various styles. Perfect for salads, salsas, and everyday meals. The 3X pressure lever system makes chopping effortless and time-saving, while the innovative handguard ensures your fingers stay safe during use. Its detachable design allows for easy cleaning, and though dishwasher use is not recommended for plastic parts, hand washing keeps everything in top shape. Whether you're prepping onions or grating cheese, this chopper delivers fast, precise results every time. Ideal for healthy home cooking and an excellent gift for both men and women. Make your kitchen smarter, safer, and more efficient with the Goldtree Veggie Chopper. Number 3. All-in-one vegetable chopper with 8 blades. Pro Food Chopper with container. Revolutionize your kitchen with the Moeuonb Vegetable Chopper, your ultimate time-saving all-purpose food prep tool. Built with a solid stainless steel body and equipped with 8 ultra-sharp interchangeable blades, this pro-grade chopper easily handles all your slicing, dicing, grating, and chopping needs. Whether you're prepping vegetables, fruits, or cheese, the enlarged mesh blades and lever design make cutting effortless and efficient. The latest safety handguard fully encloses your food, ensuring your fingers never come in contact with the blades. Total peace of mind while chopping. Its detachable parts are a breeze to clean just to avoid dishwashing plastic components. And the BPA-free build ensures healthy, safe meals every time. Unlike flimsy plastic models, this chopper is durable, long-lasting, and made to perform day after day. Ideal for busy home cooks, meal preppers, and health-conscious families, the Moeuonb Vegetable Chopper is the kitchen companion you didn't know you needed. Say goodbye to tedious prep and hello to fast, fun cooking. Number 4. IPOVIPO Stainless Steel Vegetable Chopper and Mandoline Slicer. 8 blades, onion dicer. Food cutter. The IPOVI Stainless Steel Vegetable Chopper and Mandoline Slicer is the ultimate kitchen tool for fast and efficient food prep. Designed with 8 versatile blades, including options for slicing, julienne, grating, and shredding, this chopper gives you the flexibility of multiple kitchen gadgets in one compact tool. The 3X pressure lever makes chopping fruits and vegetables effortless, while the high-quality stainless steel blades ensure smooth and precise cuts every time. Safety is a top priority with the latest safety handguards, which keep your fingers protected by fully enclosing smaller foods during use. The removable design makes cleaning a breeze. Simply detach the parts and wash them quickly. With a sturdy stainless steel construction, this chopper is built to last and outperform plastic models that wear out over time. Whether you're preparing veggies for a stir-fry or slicing onions for salsa, the IPOVIPO chopper is a must-have for any kitchen. Number 5. LLNC 4-in-1 Electric Vegetable Chopper Adjustable Thickness Mandoline Slicer and Dicer, suitable for shredding. The LLNC 4-in-1 Electric Vegetable Chopper is the ultimate kitchen tool for slicing, dicing, julienning, and shredding with ease. Featuring adjustable thickness settings and 8-10 mil potato strips or 2-3 mil carrot julienne, this powerful chopper is perfect for preparing hard vegetables quickly and efficiently. Its 200-watt motor is not only quiet but also provides excellent heat dissipation, ensuring the machine works for up to 2 hours. The stainless steel blades are designed for durability and precision, while the safety clips and hidden blades make it safer than traditional mandolin slicers, reducing the risk of injury. Easy to clean with removable parts, it's perfect for both home and commercial use. Whether you're preparing vegetables for a family meal or managing a busy kitchen, this versatile chopper makes food prep faster and safer. It's a great gift for chefs and home cooks alike. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.